even though my heart is hard, my makeup can still be soft. We love a queen that doesn't want to hear Pam. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, JC from Just Lost JC here, whatever. I decided to film this soft glam video that literally nobody asked for. Like when I say literally nobody, like nobody actually recommended this whatsoever. I'm not even gonna come and lie to you and say somebody wanted this. How did people ask you how you do your makeup? Literally nobody asked because my makeup's actually not that good. But I said soft glam trend. I want to be there too. I must do my own. Plus I was like, I like the idea of a soft glam. I like the idea of this trend because even though my heart is hard, my makeup can still be soft. Oh shoot, and I failed to mention, this is a no foundation routine. Like actually no foundation, like no foundation. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching for sure. There's gonna be no foundation in this because my skin is perfect. Right. No, but seriously, I actually don't own foundation like that, so I'm not going to use it, and I never really do. And besides, this is a soft glam. We're giving them softness. We're giving them, do you even see that there's a glam? You know what I'm saying? Like, if you blink, you might not see the glam. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to start with filling in my brow with this pencil that I got from the 99-cent store. Literally, this pencil could not be more than $1 because I cannot be asked. Cheap and cheerful. That's my method. So yeah, you just want to fill in your brows. You want people to know that you have an expression. The end of my brows are not very prominent. In fact, they're not there, just like every person in my life. If only you could make other things in life appear. Like, I don't know. Happiness, a man, money, just the list goes on. But anyway, we thank God. Shout out to all the people out there that don't have brows. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Same, sis. Me too. Right. Change the face, right? Okay, so next on my list is contour. Contour for me is super important. I know this is a soft glam, but just because the makeup is soft doesn't mean that your face can't be hard, okay? We need cheekbones. We need nose contour. We need it. We want it all, okay? We want it all. Why settle when you can select? Period. So what I like to do is go with a bit of highlighter, you know. This again is a cheapy one because again, I can't be asked to be a real human being that does real makeup, you know what I mean? So you put that lightly there. That's what I like to do, and then I use my finger just to dab it in there so that it's seen. It's seen but not heard, you know, much like a lot of children and women too. So great. Then I like to go in with a bit of a shimmer highlight. And you want to put that right on top. Just layer that on top too. You know what I'm saying? It's soft, but it doesn't mean it can't be prominent. Doesn't mean you can't glow like a shine baby. Then I put a bit on the tip of my nose because, to be honest, I've seen others do it, and wow, that's a lot. Great. Now we're getting to the contour because it's a soft glam, but you want your contour to be present and you need it to be harsh, baby girl. The makeup is soft, but your jawline and those cheekbones could never. It's soft, so I'm not doing too much, just a little. Then I like to put some right here underneath. Then I take another, listen, I'm not even going to bother telling you because the way I use my product is actually a bit shameful. You're right. So you need to just get a little line going there. Get a little line based on your face shape and what you're into. Baby girl. Chiseled. I would do my jaw, but I never do my jaw, so I wouldn't do my jaw, basically is what I'm saying. Then you just want to blend that in. You want to blend it in because it's a soft glam. It's soft, whatever that means. I like to use my fingers and just, you know, like press it in there. You don't want to like drag because you might take off the product. You're just trying to distribute it somewhat evenly and somewhat more naturally. Then I like to go into one side of my nose, you know what I'm saying, use my finger. And this I don't mind spreading because honestly, I don't like the whole dark line on the nose look. I just need a little bit of a shadow. That's all we're here for. And because I don't have foundation, it's not like I'm trying to actually blend this into anything. So, you know, just be normal and look like a normal human being. That's all I'm saying. And normal human beings don't need to have like distinct lines on their face, especially not for a soft glam. All right, you're contoured up, and now you want to highlight. You want to highlight, especially underneath your eyes. That's what I like to highlight. Again, because under my eyes are dark. We're trying to do a soft glam. Under my eyes are dark. Under my eyes are puffy from all the broken promises from the men in the past. So, I hope you're happy. Yeah, great. So now I need to cover up all my baggage, literally. And hope for the best. Hope that I can convince someone else to love me. So yeah, I just like to put a bit of this in a triangle formation underneath the eye. Just, you know, lightly put it there. Because again, you don't need people to see your baggage. How else can someone appreciate you and love you if they know your past? If your past is literally written on your face. So then you like to put, or I like to put some on my chin, but here. Because nothing says not a soft glam like a mustache, or you get me? So you don't want that. So yeah, you just put that there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So and then start blending in with your fingers. But yeah, let's just talk about it. Let's just talk about why we have the bags and why we're putting it underneath our eyes. How you stupid men? How you men out there that have been doing rohi? Listen, I'm gonna find you. Fix up. Because I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna pinch your throat. I'm gonna pinch your neck. I'm gonna literally, you see the skin on the neck? Pinch it. Be normal. Be normal and don't be that guy. Anyway, it's fine because once we're all highlighted up, it won't even matter. The sins and the stuff of the past won't even matter. That's the beauty of makeup. Any issue or problem that you have, it makes it disappear. They should put that on the bottles too, because it's true. They should really advertise that. Anyway. Okay, boom. So next up, we're going to be using some blush. I really have no excuse for why I use blush, except this is a soft glam, because naturally I do not blush. That's not something that I do. So in fact, I do not own blush, but it's okay, because it's a soft glam, and we are all very, you know, creative, and we can come up with things on the fly. So what I typically use for blush is a liquid lip stain. One in this wine kind of color. I put a bit on my finger. And I have a lip stain in orange. And I put that on the same finger. This definitely is so great for my skin. My skin loves it. Then, you know, I mix the two together on my finger. You need the orange and the wine colors to blend in. Even though they don't go together, you're gonna blend in, and one might overpower the other, but it's fine because gentrification. Anyway, so yeah, then I just tap my fingers into my face. Now, nothing says soft glam like a very distinct blush. I feel like that is what I've been seeing that makes the soft glam look really pop on other persons. Now, I like to carry my blush all the way up because I'm not just going to leave it on my cheek. I'm not a clown. I'm not a clown. Do I look like a clown? I don't want to hear Pam. Don't answer that. But anyway, yeah. So just put it on your cheek and bring it all the way up. Bring it all the way up. Don't be that girl that looks like Chuck E. Cheese, that looks like Ronald McDonald. Don't do that. Just bring it all the way up. That's what I do. Because I'm a makeup expert, and so you should obviously listen to what I'm telling you. Now that we're all rosy cheeked and young and free, next you want to set everything. I like to set it with a powder, especially my under eyes, so that even when you cry, because everyone disappoints you, even with a soft glam, you'll never be able to see. And I also like setting it because it brightens my under eye, because I tend to be underhanded with product, which is great for this look, this soft glam look, because it's supposed to be soft, so it's fine. But yeah, and I also think it helps blend the blush in, because I kind of go over some parts of the blush, and so it makes it, listen, scientifically this is correct. Put that on the chin, take it on the chin, you get me. Then the moustache, as I said before, nothing screams soft glam like a mustache. What? And then I like to put some on my forehead, the light color, you know, just to brighten that up too, because I don't like putting concealer on my forehead. I don't know why that is, but I don't mind putting the powder on it to give a nice a bit of brightness to the forehead. I feel like putting highlighter on my forehead makes it too bright, but putting a bit of powder makes it like just bright enough. But yeah, so now that it's all set and your makeup will never leave you like all of your exes, we're going to move on to highlighters. I'm saying highlighters like I have multiple. I only have one, but you need a highlighter. You need something to make your face shine, baby. Listen, your skin will be looking. Highlighter on its own, let's just take a moment and talk about it, will make your skin look healthier than your MCM, and that's on actual period. Like, I like to do a C formation, as you can tell, with my blush, and even with my highlighter I like to go around because I just feel like that works better for my face. I like to do a bit underneath the, what's this thing called, the eyebrow, my eyebrow. Since it's a soft glam, I'm gonna go over my lip, but you can see that, right? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Your MCMs are shook. Great. Yeah. Screenshot this. Screenshot this. This is your eye. This is your MCM. Period.
What is wrong with you? Are you normal?
I don't really do this, but since it's glam, since it's glam, okay, I'm gonna do that for you lot. You get me? So, with that being done, you just want to blend it all in. Again, fingers, because fingers are tools given to you by the Lord and by nature. So I like to use my fingers to just blend that in because we don't need a harsh line. We just need to look shiny. We don't need to look like a children's project. You get me? So that's healthier and more luscious than your MCM. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying because I don't want to hear Pam. You know it's true. I don't want to hear Pam. Actually, I'm joking. JK, because my MCM, he's a snog. Girl. Only problem is he doesn't know I exist, like all the rest of them. But moving on. Great. Good talk. Lips are literally the best thing. You know what they say? Lips are the window to the soul. Yep, nobody says that. I don't have my lip balm. Okay. Well, I gotta find that. Guys, 2020, what a time to be alive. I'm gonna line with a dark lip liner, the same one I use for my eyebrows, same one I use for everything in life, pretty much. Who needs a Cupid's bow? I sure don't. Next we're gonna go in with a matte brown lip stain. And this one is from, not that I told you where anything is from before, but I'm going to start now because I actually like this. Ruby Kiss. And it is in the color Oh Boy. Really good. It's not dark enough, quite dark enough, so that's why I like to put on my dark brown eye pencil first. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with this lip gloss, Luxe Cream Lip Gloss by Kiss New York in the color Cappuccino. Kind of a brightish nude, so that it blends with that brown to create, a more subtle kind of color, whatever. I go in with these other lip glosses, which is just for a bit more shine. This one is Elf Shimmer Lip Gloss, and it is in Believe. I got this from Amazon. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, but I like to layer it on top of this. Just for more shine, Shine, baby. And then for the tiny bit more shine, I have this. I think this thing is so old it needs to probably be thrown away. But I still use it anyway because if my lips fall off, it would have been worth it. It's just this shimmer thing that adds just so much shine. I could use some mascara. Should I do it just for this? Ugh, I just hate putting things on my eyes, to be quite honest. So some mascara, since I'm trying to be a real human. Put on some mascara. I'm annoyed at myself for doing that. And this is it. This is the final look. This is my version of a no foundation. Actually, no foundation, my dear. Soft glam. So tell me what you think. Listen, I'm very low maintenance, you feel me? Absolutely nobody asked for this tutorial. Literally no one. Like, there's my family, there's my friends, there's of course the Lord, there's all of you lot. Literally nobody. Literally no. Can I say nobody enough? No, I can't. Literally nobody. But you know what? I felt like it because why shouldn't I? I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment. I don't want to hear Pam. I don't want to hear Pam underneath this video or on my Instagram if you come, because we love it. We love a queen that doesn't want to hear Pam. We love a queen that doesn't want to hear Pam. Period. Anyway, bye guys.